Hello there everybody, it is me, CoolKid15, and today I have some COVID-19 self-test kits. And we're just going to test for COVID-19. Yeah, why not? Right then everybody, let's get into this vaccination self-test kit. Yeah, that's what it is. So we have many things here. We have the little plastic things, the instruction booklet from the NHS, you know, really cool guys, so I cannot wait. Right then lads, we've also got these little containers of fluid inside, so we just like to break them open, twisting that. Yeah, that's all in there. And now for everybody's favourite part, the swab. This goes right up your nose and into your mouth. So let's just get on with it. Right then, that's a good bit there, up the nose now. Yeah, we've got some good snot and jewel there. That's some good samples. Right, we just put it right in here. Give it a mix around, you know. So now we just take it out of here, fold it up neatly, yeah, and squeeze a few little drops in there. And as you can see, the test will commence. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I indeed have a negative result, claiming that I am indeed COVID-19 free. So get a load of that. And that is how to conduct a COVID-19 self-test from CoolKid15. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to watch more immediately. After you get your COVID-19 test, you are supposed to put your results up on the NHS app, but unfortunately I don't think my phone can quite run it. I don't think it has the latest updates.